Hey, Josh Horwitz here, and today I'm so excited to show everyone my new investment property in the highly desirable neighborhood in Greenwood Village. This house is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 4,000 plus square feet. Come on inside and let me show you what our plans are. So this home has been the original owner for about 30 to 40 years. They haven't remodeled too much. So our first plan for this living room is gonna be new flooring throughout. We're gonna have a new island of windows, and we're gonna be redoing our fireplace as well. Coming off the living room is our dining room. What our plans are for this dining room is we're gonna convert this into the kitchen so it has an easy flow into the living room and kind of a more open, mid-modern floor plan. Let's go ahead and go into the kitchen. I'll show you what it looks like as of now. So this is an original kitchen from the 60s. We still have the pink countertops and the original cabinets, along with the awesome old school ovens that I wish we would keep, but we are going to be replacing all this stuff with higher end stainless steel appliances. So here in the family room, we're gonna do 3 things really. We're gonna be redoing this fireplace with new paint, and we're gonna be removing all the wood paneling on this side of the wall and then make it flat drywall. Off the family room here, there's a beautiful patio and backyard. We are gonna be doing exterior painting, new light fixtures, and maybe a new surround sound speaker system. So this home used to be a 6-bedroom house. However, the original owners took out a bedroom to make this master bedroom gigantic. So they put an extra room in that they use as an office. What our plans are is we currently have a bathroom right here. We're planning on removing this bathroom and making it a master bedroom, and we're gonna be making this whole entire 6th bedroom the master bathroom. And here's one of our bedrooms out of the 5. Basic remodel here. Again, we have a little bit of dated doors, wood framing, windows, and paint and carpets. So we're gonna be redoing all those. The basement hasn't really been lived in a while. There's a really fun shuffleboard game. We also have our fireplace as well that we're gonna be remodeling. So in here, everything will be new as well. Moving down this way, we have a big hallway with 3 bedrooms and a bunch of closets. We're gonna be doing new floor paint, fixtures, and handles and doors. This is the additional living room that we're most likely going to add into this basement. Not sure exactly what the plans are. Maybe we'll put a pool table, an extra living room, or a man cave. Thanks for coming by. We're gonna start getting some hammers in here, and hopefully I'll see you in 6 months and the house will look much different. Welcome back. It's now June, summertime, everything is blooming, and we're officially completed with this project. We just finished the exterior paint, and let's go ahead and go on inside so I can show you what the completed project looks like. Let's walk into the living room. We just refinished the hardwood floors, and you're accompanied by an amazing gas fireplace. So if you remember, originally there was a big wall here, and when you walked in from the house, it felt very closed off. Looking at it here now, I'm just so glad that we opened that wall up because I think this house is a total different feel and an entertainer's paradise. Let's go onward to the kitchen. So we have 4 article pendant lights, and we ended up deciding to do the waterfall quartz countertop with an extended platform for bar stool seating. So we opened it up and made a way larger kitchen with tons of more cabinet space, larger appliances, and a larger island. So this is an amazing dining room with an open floor concept. We just got this super cool light fixture from CB2, and I think it finishes the room perfectly. So originally this fireplace was the original red brick, which I'm not a huge fan of, so we ended up deciding to paint it. And my stager did absolutely fantastic on this area. She's a mid-mod specialist, and it walks off from this sliding glass patio where we now have our, again, newly painted exterior, newer concrete, and our staging furniture for lounging in the backyard. Let's go ahead and check out the main bedroom. So new windows, refinished floor, new paint throughout. So originally, the bathroom was where I'm standing right now. So I ended up moving all the plumbing to where the original 6th bedroom was and made that the master bathroom. And now this is our walk-in closet. Now the bathroom is one of my favorite rooms in this house. We have a 6-foot tub, an amazing West Elm vanity that we custom ordered as well. We added a walk-in shower as well. Let's check out the 3 bedrooms on the lower level. I love all the bedrooms in this house because thankfully they're all very large. This bedroom's a perfect example. We have two closets. One's a walk-in and one's a sliding door. Tons of natural lighting. Really happy with how it came out. Keep in mind there's 3 fireplaces in this home. And if you remember before we did the carpet installation here, is that there was a really old school shuffle board on the original flooring of this house. We also put in canned lighting. And then here's another huge living area that I think will be perfect for a pool table or just a fun living space for entertainment. Opportunities are endless. Thank you so much for stopping by. 8 months, but I'm so excited that we're completed. And we're gonna be doing an open house this weekend, listing Thursday, and I cannot wait to see what lucky family gets to live in this gorgeous home.